Um, we are still talking about how to make money online. This is my suggestion 32. I welcome you back. Okay. So my suggestion 32 for making money online is to sell merchandise on Zazzle. Now, Zazzle is an online marketplace with millions of made to order customizable products. Zazzle users can print designs, drawings, or photos on items like coffee cups, t shirts, bags, and so on. Now, this is suitable for artists, designers, and painters. The skills required is one, the ability to conceive and create designs. And number two, the ability to convert designs into digital format using tools such as Photoshop. Now, this is how to monetize. You will create your design in digital format and refine it. Register at Zazzle.com and set up your own shop. A customer comes to your Zazzle shop, selects a design from your catalog, and then selects a merchandise item such as cups, cards, t-shirts, etc. Then the customer then places the order to print your design on the selected merchandise item and ship it to his or her address. Zazzle handles all the printing, shipping, payment processing stuff, and you get paid for your design. Now, the expected earnings is the simple rule of thumb applies here too. More customers order your designs, more money you make. You can also create and upload designs appealing to different age groups to maximize your reach and earnings. So go ahead and set up your Zazzle store now. It's very easy. So sell merchandise on Zazzle. This is my suggestion 22. I thank you for listening. Again, like this video if you found it of any interest. Share it with your family and friends. You never know who you're going to help. I appreciate your time. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Hope you will stop by and see me again. You can watch suggestions 1 through 31 on my channel as well. I invite you to. Subscribe to my channels and click that notification bell. I thank you again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You don't know how much this means to me. Your support has been great. So check out my other videos. And I'll holler at you later. Thank you.